So this video is for both this slide and the next one. You can see that this slide is much like the one prior, except many of the rows have been blocked out in red. And the reason the ones in the middle have been blocked out is because those are the values that are less than 1,000 or more than 1/1000th. And as I have said, we are just going to call those numbers by their common name and not have a SI prefix for them. And I have also cut off the very top four rows and the very bottom four rows because on this earth and when dealing with electricity and computers and things like that, we just don't use numbers that are that big. Going past a trillion or past a terabyte in computers is unnecessary, and going past a pico in anything to do with electricity is also unnecessary on the far end in terms of how small things are. So these are going to be the ones that are useful in real life application, and so these are the 8 that we are going to stick with. Moving on. I've put this table together in a bit more familiar way for you with both the prefix, the symbol, the multiplier, which is the numeric representation of what that word means. And so again, going back to Doc with the giga, Doc is talking about a billion of something there. We have the exponential form, which basically just tells us how many zeros we are dealing with. So again, going back to gigawatts, there would be 9 zeros following that 1. And the common name that we would use in normal school, we would say that that's a billion. And so all different ways of representing the exact same number. We have 5 different ways of representing these numbers, which sounds crazy, but we are going to be focusing on today on the SI prefix and the engineering notation way of doing this. And so you can see I've got some callouts here: print me, keep me, glue me to the inside of your binder. And if you really feel passionate about this, you can go ahead and tattoo this to the inside of your forearm. It's going to be that useful to you.